Hello and welcome. You're watching Next IAS English. Today, we're going to talk about a new Ramsar site that has been added from Bihar. The name is Gogabeel Lake. ये अनाउंसमेंट एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट माइलस्टोन है क्योंकि इससे इंडिया के टोटल रामसर साइट्स अब हो गए हैं 94. जी हाँ, it reflects India's growing commitment towards protecting wetlands, those crucial ecosystems that support birds and animals and even human life. Moving forward, let's talk about what is exactly a Ramsar site. अब एक Ramsar site exactly होती क्या है उसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. So let's understand. The term comes from the Ramsar Convention. It comes from Ramsar Convention which was signed in 1971 in Iran. ये एक international treaty है जिसका main aim है conservation और wise use of wetlands across the globe. Wetlands act like the earth's kidneys. They clean water, control floods and support biodiversity. जब कोई wetland Ramsar site बन जाता है मतलब it has global ecological importance now. Moving forward, let's talk about India's Ramsar milestone. Now why is it a milestone for India? Let's talk about that. See, इंडिया ने अब तक टोटल 94 रामसर साइट्स डिक्लेयर किए हैं जैसा कि मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ एंड दैट्स अ वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट. द लेटेस्ट एडिशन इज द गोगाबील लेक, बिहार गोगाबील लेक. विद दिस इंडिया रैंक्स थर्ड ग्लोबली आफ्टर मेक्सिको एंड नंबर 1 इन एशिया. ये क्लियरली दिखाता है कि इंडिया एनवायरमेंट कंजर्वेशन में एग्रेसिवली काम कर रहा है. ईच रामसर साइट मीन्स वन मोर इकोसिस्टम बीइंग सेव्ड फॉर फ्यूचर generations. Moving forward, let's talk about the Gogabeel Lake now. Let's understand what exactly is the Gogabeel Lake, what's the location. It's located in Katihar district of Bihar and Oxbow Lake यानी एक ऐसी लेक जो रिवर के पुराने बेंड से बनती है जब रिवर अपना कोर्स चेंज करती है. It lies between the Ganga and Mahananda rivers. The special thing is it's Bihar's first community reserve as well, managed by local people themselves. During floods, ये दोनों rivers से connect हो जाती है, which helps control excess water and maintain the biodiversity. Moving forward, let's talk about global context. अब इस पूरी situation का एक global context देख लेते हैं हम. Worldwide, there are 2,546 Ramsar sites across more than 170 plus countries. These wetland acts as lifeline for the planet. They support birds, fish, plants and people. आप कह सकते हो wetlands are nature's insurance policy. They store carbon, reduce climate risk and water purification भी ये करते हैं. So every Ramsar site adds to this global network of protection. Moving forward, let's talk about the significance for India. अब इसका इंडिया के लिए क्या significance है इसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं. In the last 11 years, पिछले 11 सालों में India has added 64 new Ramsar sites. That's impressive growth. अब total area protected under these wetlands is more than 13.6 lakh hectares. It shows how government policies, local communities और scientific planning ये सब मिलकर conservation को और भी ज़्यादा strong बना रहे हैं. ये These efforts not only save nature but also support ecotourism and local livelihoods, especially for rural communities around these wetlands. Moving forward, let's talk about Environment Minister Statement. अब Environment Minister के statement के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. तो जो Union Environment Minister हैं Mr. भूपेंद्र यादव जी, इन्होंने National Unity Day के दिन अनाउंस किया. He said Bihar scores a 6, a nice cricket style expression for Bihar's 6 Ramsar sites. इस स्टेटमेंट का मैसेज सिंपल था. India is united not in just culture but also in conservation. ये बताता है कि environmental achievements को हम national pride के साथ celebrate कर रहे हैं. Moving forward, let's talk about key takeaways. अब इस पूरी बात की takeaways क्या हैं? The key takeaway is wetland conservation means life conservation. Wetland को बचाना मतलब life बचाना. Gogabeel Lake symbolizes how community participation and government efforts together can make a very big difference. जब हम wetlands बचाते हैं हम biodiversity, पानी और even अपना climate balance सब कुछ protect कर रहे हैं. So remember, every lake, every bird habitat, every wetland counts towards a healthier, more sustainable India. So we have covered almost all the dimensions of this particular topic. Now आपके लिए अब एक सवाल. Now here's a question for you. This was the 94th Ramsar site. I want you to tell me which site was 93rd. 93rd Ramsar site को आप comment section में ज़रूर mention करें and do tell us कि आपको ये video कैसी लगी comment section में. And if you found this video informative, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And that is it for today. I will see you in another deep dive video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.